Hello, doers. Welcome back to our channel, Devintelle. Using this our app, you can easily add refuse reason when any leave refuse. So let's see about that. You can see here our module, Dev leave refuse reason. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. Go to this time of app. In my time off, go to anyone and see here this button refuse. Click on. Now add your reason because project deadline is near, and now click on this refuse button so you can easily see here display refuse reason and here move stage to approve to refused. Thank you.